Hello students, in last lecture we have seen the arithmetic programs related to microprocessor 8085. Today we will see the another example, the example number 2. So in this example we are having total 6 instructions, and after the execution of the last 6th instruction we have to give the content of the accumulator. Now see the first one instruction, that is MVIA, 45. In this, whenever the I, that is immediate addressing mode, comes, the second operand is considered as a data. So this data is copied into the accumulator. So here, after the execution of the instruction 1, we are having the content of accumulator A, that is equals to, this is copied 45. The 45 is in hexadecimal, so we can write in binary form like this. So for this is 1 2 4 8, again this is 1 2 4 8. So first one, that is we are to write 5. So for 5 we are having 4 plus 1, these 2 0. Okay, this is 5, and for this 4 we are having, this is 1 0 0 0. Okay, so this one is 4. So this is 45 hexadecimal. So now after the execution of first instruction we are having accumulator as 45. Now second instruction is move B comma A. So here the content of accumulator are copied into the register B. Okay, so here we are having the after execution of the second instruction, B will be equals to like this. So what will be the content in the accumulator are copied same as that from the accumulator. Okay, so in this we are having content of B as 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 0. Okay, so after execution second instruction we are having B equals to this one, same as that one. This is also 45H. Now STC, this is set carry flag. Okay, means after the execution of this third instruction we are having carry flag CY equals to, set means 1. Okay, so this carry flag will set to 1. Next instruction is CMC. CMC is the complement carry. Okay, so previously we are having carry equals to 1. After the execution of the CMC, what is the complement of 1? 0. So that's why after execution of the CMC, complement carry instruction, we are having carry equals to 0, right? Now next instruction is RAR. So this is actually rotate accumulator right. Okay, so actually we can write this as rotate accumulator right through carry. Okay, this is CHR carry. So it means, see here, so if we are having this, we are moving accumulator content. See, this is accumulator. What is accumulator? This is 45. So just I will write it. So here we are having accumulator content A equals to what? 0 1 0 0 0, then 1 0 1, right? And where is the carry? Carry, previous we are having carry CY, that is 0. Okay, so now how it is rotating CF? So rotate the content of accumulator through the carry means like this. So here this is MSB is moved here, then here like this. Okay, and finally here, and the last, that is LSB, is shifted to the carry. Again this carry bit is shifted to the MSB bit of the accumulator like this. Okay, are you getting or not? So see here, accumulator content after the execution of RAR instruction, that is rotate accumulator right, becomes A will be equals to, see, A will be equals to 0 is moved to here. So I will again write here. So this is, so 0 is moved here as MSB, this 0 is moved here, then 1 is moved here, then 0, then 0 0 0, then 1 is moved here. Okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, see here you have 1, because after this 1 we are having 1 2 3 0. After this 1 1 2 3 0, then we are having 1. See, here is the 1, then this 0 moved here as LSB, and this LSB of the accumulator is shifted to the what? Next is carry. So we are having this carry bit. So 1 is shifted where? This. So carry flag is now set. Carry is 1. Okay, this was shifted here. So we are having accumulator after the RAR instruction, this one, right? And next instruction is XREB. So what is XREB? This is XOR the content of accumulator with the register B, or we can say content of register B. So therefore, so if you write what is XOR? XOR operation, suppose I write this Y as is A bar B plus AB bar, right? So we are having A equals to 0 0 1 0 0 0, then 1 0, right? 0 0 1 triple 0, then 1 0. And what is content of register B? Here. So we are having this 0 1 triple 0, then 1 0 1, right? Now we have to XOR content of EB. So in case of XOR, whenever we are having same input, when we are having different input, what is the output? See, I can write here first example. So A 0 invert, that is 1, then this B is 1 plus what is A is 0, B bar is again 0. So what is 1 into 1? 1. Means we are having different input, output is 1. Okay, and when the same input, output is 0. Are you getting or not? So different input, output is 1. Again different input, output is 1. Different input, output is 1. Same input, output 0. Same input, 0. This is different, output is 1. Again this is different, output 1. Same input, output is 0. Right? So we are having this content of accumulator after execution of this XRAB. Okay, so we are having, this is the accumulator content. So what is this accumulator content in hexadecimal form? Like this. This is, so this one is what? First 4 bit, and this is LSB. So this one is 1 2 4. So this is 4 plus 2, this is 6. Okay, and here this is 1 1, and this is also 1. So this is 7. So this is 67H. So after the execution of the last instruction, that is XRA, accumulator content is 67H. Okay.